Welcome to Ocean Express Catamarans clearance sale from a masterboat builder with over 40 years of experience. Are you ready to hit the water with a boat that's not just built, but crafted by an expert with over 4 decades of boat building experience? Now's your chance to own a piece of excellence. Why choose our boats? World-class craftsmanship, built by an experienced boat builder with over 40 years in catamaran expertise. These boats are a testament to performance and superior quality. Custom options. Tailor your boat to your exact specifications. We offer a full range of customizations to ensure your boat meets all your needs and desires. Special prices. We're offering these catamarans in various stages of completion at cost. Get an incredible deal on a top-tier catamaran and finish it to your liking. Our inventory. We have 8 unfinished and pre-owned boats available for immediate sale. Perfect for enthusiasts who want a hands-on project, or for those looking to save on a high-end catamaran. What we offer, as is sale, take the boat at cost and finish it yourself, or get a custom completion. Let us complete the boat with the features and specifications you dream of. Our customization services include high-performance engines, state-of-the-art navigation systems, luxury interiors, custom paint and graphics, and much more. From the industry's first offshore composite catamarans, boasting over 4 decades, to the incredible catamarans of today, Ocean Express catamarans are simply the best fuel-efficient, stable, and fastest catamarans ever built. The magic carpet ride speaks for itself. In fact, Ocean Express catamaran's reputation for dependability, quality, and fuel efficiency, coupled with the fact that Ocean Express is one of the only upscale custom catamaran companies with factory direct purchase, makes the decision to purchase an easy one. Stop by from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. for a look at all unfinished, demo, and/or pre-owned catamarans up for sale in the month of June, every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday only. With over 40 years of offshore composite catamaran experience, our expertise is unmatched. Even our unfinished boats are crafted with the highest standards in mind. This is a rare chance to own a high-performance boat at a fraction of the cost, built to your specification at a price you won't find anywhere in the country. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to own a master-crafted boat. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or just looking for a top-quality center console, we have the perfect boat for you. Call us now, 810-7487-324. Visit us at oceanexpressboats.com, or email info@oceanexpressboats.com. Sail into the summer with a boat built by experts. Act fast. These boats won't last long at these unbeatable prices.